great thing about this conference is that we're all working towards the same goal, and that it's a great networking opportunity to see how things are done in other areas or other different countries.
This is probably the biggest European wound healing meeting, so I think it's really important. You have all the big companies here.
I like enjoying different culture. I like seeing different points of view about topics that you talk about every day, but maybe you're so focused on doing things your own way.
It's really nice to meet new people and to know what's going on in the wound world.
I think it's important to share the opinions of different people that come from another parts of the world.
I would encourage any clinician to visit such conference like next year in Germany.
Also, Bremen is really nice city. I went there 4 years before.
Definitely come here, experience this, because the atmosphere is so good.
I mean, as you can see, there are thousands of people here. There's loads of really interesting things going on. There's huge numbers.
Come here to see the new innovations that can change the world,